With the DMP Android Command Screen for Mercedes, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto is a go-to feature for our customers. After pairing your smartphone to the screen for the first time, your smartphone will then automatically connect the moment that you step inside of your car. The screen will then automatically load up CarPlay or Android Auto and give you access to your messages, your navigation, your music, and other smartphone features as well. This entire process will happen without having to touch a single button on your radio or smartphone. Your Mercedes command knob and volume controls will also fully work when using the Android screen for CarPlay or Android Auto. Experience the luxury of seamless connectivity with the DMP Android Command Screen for Mercedes-Benz.
My name is Alex at Accessories International, and I'd like to thank you for tuning into our video today. We're a family-owned business that was established in 1998 out of Miami, Florida. If you have any questions on the product review that you've just seen, feel free to give us a call at 786-242-5400. Thanks again for tuning in.
Thank you.